Okay guys, this is going to be a very serious talk. Kasi I've been listening to Tokyo Drift song recently. And one thing na I found out, and I think I need to get this off my chest, na never give a F with the Japanese people. Kasi they have nuclear weapon, pwede nila tayong pasabugin. I think yun lang yung pinaka parang naging thought ko for the day na Japanese, Chinese, and Russian, pwede nila tayong pasabugin. I don't know guys if I'm just blabbering, pero never give up with the Japanese people. You know, mga Filipino tayo, pwede nila tayong pasabugin any moment. And we're just dead.